The correct answer is letter B, toilet paper rolls.
The correct answer is letter C, cotton swabs.
The correct answer is letter A, shower curtain.
The correct answer is letter B, washcloths.
The correct answer is letter A, bar soap.
The correct answer is letter C, dental floss.
The correct answer is letter A, tissue.
The correct answer is letter B, loofah.
The correct answer is letter A, bath towels.
The correct answer is letter A, shower head.
The correct answer is letter C, toilet tank.
The correct answer is letter B, shower curtain rod.
The correct answer is letter A, plunger.
The correct answer is letter B, hand towel.
The correct answer is letter A, mouthwash.
The correct answer is letter C, soap dispenser.
The correct answer is letter A, razor.
The correct answer is letter B, flush handle.
The correct answer is letter C, cotton balls.
The correct answer is letter C, sink stopper.
Hey English galera, you finished the quiz. Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you like the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And I'll see you in the next video.